Great skin is not just one treatment. It's usually a synergy of multiple things. Today, pag-uusapan ko yung KBK skin system or kung paano kami nag-treat ng mga concern nyo dito sa clinic. Nag-start pa na ako mag-practice. Very simple cases like acne and melasma. I really offer everything to the patient. Kasi naniniwala ako na hindi pwedeng procedure lang, hindi pwedeng pamahid lang, hindi pwedeng oral lang. Diyan umiikot yung tatlo. Should have a good skincare. Regardless kung ano yung concern mo, dapat meron kang skincare. Pangalawa, if needed, oral medication. Filipinos usually takot uminom ng gamot, but once na-explain naman namin, for example, oral isotretinoin and tranexamic acid, the benefits for acne and melasma, napapapayag namin yung patient and ang lakas ng synergy niya with topicals. Then, syempre, yung mga procedures and treatment na. If napapansin nyo, sobrang aggressive namin. Ako kasi, na nag-start ako mag-practice, gusto ko talagang mag-experiment, mag-combine ng maraming procedures. And really, pag maraming procedures, for example, sa acne scars, that's why we have the 6-in-1, Subcision, Chemical Peel, CO2, PRP, TCA Cross, Regeran, tas pwede pang Juvelux, so 7-in-1. Kasi yung mga effects niyan nagsistack on top of each other. Then sa acne scars pa rin tayo, we always give our patients a good skincare kasi remember, yung mga collagen boosting products like retinoic acid or tretinoin, vitamin C, glycolic acid, lahat yan nakakaangat din ng scars. Although marginally konti lang, malaki pa rin yung effect niya. Another example, for melasma, we don't just do procedures. We prescribe oral medication, we give skincare. Then for procedures, talagang kung ano yung kayang pagsabayin in one session, we can do it. Chemical peel, PRP microneedling, skin boosters like Juvelux, Lochylo. If gusto nyong gawin lahat, then we can offer you kung ano talaga yung pinaka-best treatment plan for you. So in short, ang KBK skin system, it's about synergy. Simple lang naman yung principle ko. More chances of winning pag mas marami kang gagawin or pag mas marami kaming treatment na binigay sa'yo. Topicals or skincare, oral, and maraming procedures.